While the Honor 500 series is making new wins in the sales market, the firm has started working on the next-gen digital lineup, Honor 600, with an even bigger screen and battery specifications. The Honor 600 and 600 Pro also showed up on the Google One membership and eSIM database. According to Digital Chat Station, Honor 600 series is in the works with a bigger screen panel and a larger battery capacity. New smartphone featuring a 6.57-inch display with 1.5K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. The leak suggests that the device may pack a significantly larger battery, potentially reaching around 9,000 mAh capacity. With 80W charging support, the device also offered a 50-megapixel front camera and a dual rear camera system comprising a 200-megapixel main sensor with OIS and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens. The Honor 600 will retain the same design language or chipset as its predecessor. The Honor 600 series could debut as early as June this year in China. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.